Hello students, now let us discuss today about metacentric and metacentric height. Metacenter of a floating body. Floating body. It is defined as a point at which body starts oscillating and when the body is tilted by a small angle or it is a point at which the line of action of buoyancy of force line of action of buoyancy will meet the normal axis of body, and the body is given small angular displacement. So explanation of buoyancy and center of buoyancy. So to go for the figure now, let us draw a body of any shape immersed in liquid. This is the normal axis of the body. Center of gravity is exactly at the center of this plane figure, and B is the center of buoyancy or center of the portion of the immersed portion of the body in water. This is normal axis. Now it is in the normal position, but when given a small tilt or angular displacement to this body, that will next, if you take like this small angular displacement to this body, so its line of action will get in the clockwise direction. We give a small angular displacement to this body to a small angular displacement. This is normal axis. So this is the small angular displacement theta. Then the center of gravity of the body G, and here center of buoyancy is shifted towards the right, the position point B1, and this normal axis meet the line of action of center of buoyancy at M. at M. So this M is nothing but metacenter. So according to the definition, when we given a small displacement to this normal body through a small angle in the clockwise direction, then the line of action of buoyancy force means FB, line of action of buoyancy force, is it not, will meet the normal axis of the body at M when a body is given a small angular displacement theta. So next, this GM you see here, this GM is called metacentric height. This is called metacentric height. So here we can give as a metacentric height. We call it as a metacentric height. So how we can define metacentric height now? Metacentric height is the distance between metacenter of floating body and the center of gravity of the body. Metacentric height is the distance between metacenter of floating body. This is the metacenter of floating body and the center of gravity. This is called metacenter.